Hello, everybody. My name is John Guerra, and for this research project, I looked at an article that studied the nutritional evaluation of new alternative types of dog foods, including raw and cooked homemade style diets. So, as a brief introduction and background to the study, the pet industry and pet food industry has grown drastically in recent years, which have allowed consumers and pet owners to start utilizing different ingredients and, more specifically, human food ingredients in their pets' diets. So, the primary focus of this research was to look at the nutritional adequacy of these homemade style diets in the maintenance diets of adult dogs. And maintenance diets are diets that give optimal growth, nutrition, and performance. So, the methods used for this study were 11 raw and cooked homemade style diets were imported from Korea, and researchers looked at the nutritional adequacy of each nutrient and compared them to the AAFCO nutrient profile standards. So let's look at results now. As we can see, crude protein and amino acids met the requirements for every diet. Crude fat met the requirements for 10 of the 11 diets, and the nutrients like minerals only met the requirements for about half the diets, and then about half the diets didn't meet the calcium to phosphorus standard. So, I know you can't fully see, but on this table, we look at crude protein and crude fat. And if the numbers are not highlighted, that means they met the requirements. If they are in blue, it means they were deficient. And if they were in orange or yellow, that means they were above or efficient concerning the requirement. So, to interpret these results, there was a mix of nutritional efficiency and deficiency. In these homemade style diets and ingredients. And then the overall conclusion was that a label or statement was needed on the products used in the homemade style ingredients. There needed to be a label in stores to tell consumers exactly like the nutritional adequacy of them and exactly what they are putting into their dog's diets. And then a further research is needed to see the long term benefit of these homemade style diets. Thank you so much for your time.